So if you got a LaserJet Pro 200 printer that started giving me the rear door error, and there's a lot of videos out there, a lot of information out there on what fixes it. None of that worked for me. What was happening was if I opened the rear door, it would tell me that it was open, and if I closed the rear door, the message went away. But every time I went to print or copy, it would start the process, and then after everything spun up, then it would say rear door open. What I found on this one is I've already removed the left-hand side cover, but what I found is on the back side of the board right here is a little optical sensor. So when the door is opened, that sensor opens up. When the door is closed, the sensor sees that the door is closed. What I ended up doing is right below this tab, where they've got ground written here, right below this tab, these two contacts are what actually powers the sensor. These two are on the receive side of the sensor. So by jumping those two pins, not the two closest to the edge of the board, but the next two back, by jumping those two pins, everything worked. Except then if I did actually have a paper jam, after clearing the paper jam, I had to power cycle the printer. So what I did is I went on DigiKey. I will post the part number below the video. But what I did is I went on DigiKey and I found the part. This is what it looks like. So one side of this, this side is actually a little infrared LED that sends light across to the other side, and if that light is picked up on the other side, it knows that there's nothing obstructing it. When you close the rear door, there's a little flag that interrupts this light path, and then it can tell that the door is closed. So what I did is I jumped the output side of this and saw that everything worked. So I went on DigiKey, found a new one of these guys, soldered it in, and everything works.